Okay, how about this? How about, listen, stop crying. Stop. Listen, if I sit here, will you sit on my lap?
No.
What? If I sit next to Emma, will you sit on my lap?
No.
Why not? Why not?
Because I won't.
You won't?
Why does it?
Okay, well then we'll just stand right here next to the bed.
I can't. There's no room.
Okay.
I'm pushing the buttons. Ah, come on.
It says push. I don't know what it's for, but okay.
Don't push the buttons.
Nurse! You want me to push that help button?
What the
Push, you put the armrest down.
This
There you go.
is so
Alright, and I'll stand
annoying.
right next to you. Just sit up against you.
I don't like right here.
Okay.
Don't pull the
There we go. Okay, here, you stand right here next to Emma. Okay, there we go, and I'll stand right next to you here in the chair. I'm right next to you. Right
Don't
here.
sit back.
I want this to sit up. Come on. I'm right here next to you.
Okay, Max, ready?
Stand up.
I like this. You can move this arm here. Hold on to Kai down here. There you go.
I appreciate you making
There
a
you
big
go.
issue out of this.
Okay, ready?
Okay, now there you go.
Max, can you
kind of lean over there so they can get you in the camera.
There we go.
There.
Stop next to me.
Can I see, Forrest?
Come here, let's wipe these eyes. You silly This is our very first cousin's picture.
Now Max, you need to move over.
Oh, look, all your hair is bad.
Max, move over, please. Hold Kai up like that. There we go. So we see what
There,
you're
right
holding,
next
and he's
to
not
Emma.
a big giant blanket. First, you're standing next
Right
to a blanket.
next to that beautiful Emma.
Max, move over a little bit. Your head's not even in the picture.
Oh, stand
Okay,
up.
ready?
Here
we
she's
go.
getting ready to take a picture.
One.
Wait, I need to.
One.
Max, can you just wait, please?
Okay,
You
okay,
are
you're
not-
fine. I'm right next
Max,
to you.
just
Max,
get in the
come on.
picture. I
'Cause
can't
we
even
gotta
see
get
it.
going.
Ready?
Okay, give a smile.
Where's Forrest?
Give a smile.
Don't even
Yes.
think about giving a smile, okay? I don't want any smiles in this picture, especially
No
from
smiles,
Forrest.
no silly faces.
Nope,
No
no
sour
Forrest.
pusses.
No,
No sour. No, don't say make a sourpuss. Come here.
Sour
Come here.
patch.
Throw it back at your sourpuss.
no.
Come on.
What's that?
No.
No sourpuss? No sourpuss?
Okay, I need a tissue for me.
I don't know if that was a sourpuss. That was a pretty good one. Is a sourpuss like this?
He was being a sourpuss in the car. I was like, don't start being a sourpuss. He starts cracking up.
Just use
What's a
toilet paper, Max.
sourpuss?
Just use the tissue that they give you here.
Thank
is
you
like,
for doing that for us.
Forrest, I will send you a copy
Okay.
of that picture on the computer.